Alright, welcome back to another video today. It's been a hot minute since I've done a video, but my fault. I'm gonna get back to it. I'm just trying to get the grind, you feel me? I'm grinding right now, you feel me? Today, we at the Muffler Shop right now. We got the HEMI up in the air. About to get the mufflers and the resonators taken off. I'm gonna let y'all know how it sound. We gotta get those off and these two off. I'm gonna keep the stop tips for now. This is just a little sound for it. I ain't gonna hold you. She clean on the bottom. She clean. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know how it sound when we finish. Alright, so right now he just took off. Who knows what this one? I think this is the muffler, if I'm not mistaken. This shit. You hear that? This shit dense as hell, bro. Yeah, he just took this off. And he over there tacking up the first pipe right now, just to get it up there before you start welding. He's gonna take the resonators off next. I'll let you know how it sounds. Okay, we back. He just finished. So right now, he about to take these two off. He just finished those right there. So now these two are coming off, and then we should hear how it sound. I wish I had some tips for it, but it'll be alright for right now. But yeah, alright, y'all see it. These big 30 pounds of pieces of metal, don't do nothing. Off the car, that's off the car. Cut them out. Cut the tips off. 1 tip, 2 tip. So now you just gotta put the pipe up in there and then put the tips back on, and it should be done. Bye-bye. No more quiet. You see the license plate, baby. You hear me? Alright, this is almost done. You got the rods in to hold it up. Once he finishes this, he's gonna set it down. We're gonna see how it sounds. Alright, he's putting it down. One last look. It's finished. So he's putting it down now. About to start it up. See how it sounds. Big body. So, try to get a somewhat of a cold start. I'm not sure yet. Let me see. Oh man. There you go, baby. I'm gonna get a start up on this thing. Oh man. I'm gonna give us a POV drive. I know y'all ain't see this in a minute. A POV drive. Oh, the big HEMI V8, baby. I like this. She talking my language, baby. Yeah, he talking my language, baby. I know y'all ain't see the POV in a hot minute. gonna take a minute for the engine to recognize that, hey, it's like straight pipe, so it's gonna take a couple starts, a couple drives for it to realize the car got a straight pipe. Yeah, I like this. I gotta hold the camera a little bit higher. Let me try to do some downshifts. I hit a pop. Woo. Come on, y'all hear that big HEMI V8? Y'all hear that, baby? Yeah, baby, y'all hear me, baby. This feels like a different vehicle, bro. That shit is crazy. That is crazy. It feels like a whole different vehicle. Come on. All this damn traffic, my gosh. Yeah. But look, this is just the beginning of the build on the vehicle, bro. For real, I'm telling y'all. Grind do not stop. I was off for a little bit, got rid of the Buick, but I got something different for y'all. New year, new problems, baby. Yeah. But look, like, comment, subscribe. Share this with your friend. Let's get this video to like maybe, I don't know, just surprise me, y'all. Surprise me. It's been a minute. But we out. Peace.